ES residential windows and doors are developed in collaboration with architects and designers for sophistication and style, all while maintaining the highest performance standards. And this new waterfront home in Jupiter, Florida personifies just that. You don't want to miss this. Let's go. You can see why residential architects and developers are building with ES, the perfect solution to noise reduction, temperature control, and protection from extreme weather, without compromise on a luxurious aesthetic.